How to find square root of 5 by division method? 0 squared equal to 0, 1 squared equal to 1, 2 squared equal to 4, 3 squared equal to 9. Look, 0, 1, 2, 4, 9, these are perfect square. We have to find out a number that is closed or that is close to 5 or equal to 5. Here 4, right? So the divisor will be here 2. So these two must come to the quotient. That is 2 goes into 5 how many times? 2 times. 2 times 2, 4. Okay. Now subtract, you are getting 1. Now you have to write the same digit that you have written in the quotient below the divisor, and you need to add. So you are getting 4. To continue this process, look, take here decimal and write zeros in pair. Okay. Zeros in pair. You can take any number of zeros. Bring down the first pair. Before this pair, you have a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. Okay. Now you have to take a digit here, and you need to multiply this number by that digit, which will be close to 100. Okay. If you take here 10, if you take here, look, 2, then you also need to take here 2. Then you need to multiply this number by 2. You are getting what? 4, 8. So 2 times 42, which is 84. Subtract 100 minus 84, which is 16. 16 is less than the divisor 42. So our guessing number 2 is correct. Okay. Write the same digit that you have placed in the quotient and add. So we are getting 4 and here 4. So bring down the next pair. Okay, now guessing a number here. Let's say the number is 3. Now multiply this. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. So carry 1. 3 times 4, 12 plus 1, 13. This. Now subtract. 1600 minus 1 minus 1329, which is 271. Look here, 271 less than the divisor 443. So our guessing 3 is here is correct. So put here 3. So if you multiply 3 times 443, then you are getting this. Subtract, you are getting this. Now here add the same number 3. We have written here 3, and we are getting 6, 4, 4. Okay. Now we also need to guess another number here. But first bring down the another pair. So Can you guess? Right here 446. Then let the guessing number is 6 and multiply by 6. So we are getting what? Look here. 4466 4466 times 6. That gives us what? That gives us close to this number 796. Now subtract. 27 100 minus 26 7 9 6. So which is this. Since 304 is less than this number, so our guessing here 6 is correct. So place here 6, so this 6 must come to here. 6 times this, which is 26 96. So if you subtract, then you are getting this. Now add that 6. So we are getting here what? 4466 4466 4466 plus 6. That gives you 4472. 4472. Okay, now you can take here more 0 and you can bring down here. Okay, so look, this is 30,400, but if you take here 0, just 0, that will be 44,000. So actually this will be bigger. So take here 0 times this, which will be also 0. Subtract, you are getting the same thing. Add 0 here, so you are getting here this. Okay, now you can bring down more 0 and this process will continue. Since we have gotten 4 digit after decimal, we can stop now. Just place here 3 dot. If you want to round this number into 3 places after decimal, then since this digit is 0, that is less than 5, so you can omit this. So our approximate square root of 5 is 2.236.